Hello YouTube, part one of whatever. So this is an iCharger 4010 Duo. I've had it for a couple months now and I have been testing the crap out of it on, well, quite a lot of 18650s. So that box right there, every single one of those cells, which there is a lot, have gone through this charger. And well, let's just say that I've been in the middle of moving and I've left the charger just sitting there for like a week straight with a bunch of batteries sitting on it, and the charger has never done what my Chargery, whatever that thing is called, C4025 whatever, or I don't remember what it's called. Anyway, I had 3 different Chargery chargers, and they are 12S. And while the shell looks really nice, you can't leave a battery pack on them because the battery pack will slowly discharge thanks to a crappy design in the charger. So it will literally run your cells down to 0 volts. It's a really bad idea to do that. Whereas with this charger here, I have done the exact same thing. I did deliberately because, you know, I've got so many used 18650s over there in that bin. I wanted to see the same thing. So multiple times while moving from one house to another, I would neglect the charger for days and days and days at a time, just with cells sitting on there, and this guy never once ever discharged cells just sitting there. You know, if I had discharged or I was doing a discharge test to see how much capacity I was getting out of a bunch of cells, in either case, I'd come back days later and everything was just fine. So anyway, yeah, this charger is my new favorite, and by the way, the thing can charge a lot of batteries, literally 20 cells simultaneously, you know, 2 different chemistries, or discharge one side and charge the other. I'm really impressed with this charger. It's quite impressive, and also it's powerful enough to pop the breaker in my house, so that's pretty good too. If I have a complaint about it, it's the fact that it doesn't have a built-in power supply, so you're going to need something like this Meanwell, which I forget what model this is, but it's good for like 25 amps. So you're going to need an external power supply, but that's the worst of it. Otherwise, this is a brilliant charger. I'm really pleased with it. So that's video 1 of whatever, and now I'll talk about putting it back together again since I have taken it apart.